Are you still wasting hours manually drawing flowcharts, mind maps, and project diagrams? What if you could visualize your team's ideas instantly, without needing any design skills? Today, we're looking at Cacoo by NewLab, a collaborative tool designed to make diagramming and visual planning incredibly simple. Cacoo is part of the NewLab collaboration suite, which is trusted by over 4 million people worldwide. At its core, Cacoo is a collaborative board where teams can plan, visualize, and communicate in real time. Whether you are mapping out a software workflow, organizing a brain dump, or designing a quick prototype, it's built to keep everyone on the same page. NewLab also integrates AI-powered assistants across its ecosystem to help organize work and speed up daily tasks, making this a great hub for modern teams. So what makes Cacoo stand out? First, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create professional-looking flowcharts or mind maps. Second, the real-time collaboration is seamless. You and your team can jump onto a shared board and build out concepts together as they happen. Third, it plays incredibly well with the tools you already use. It easily connects with Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and Dropbox, so you don't have to constantly jump between apps to share your work. Now, let's talk about what users actually think. Because we want to be completely honest, we have limited third-party review data available right now. However, existing user feedback highlights that Cacoo is highly praised for being extremely smooth and intuitive, especially when it comes to quick prototyping and flowchart creation. On the flip side, because it is part of a broader suite of tools like NewLab's backlog, some users might find they need to explore the entire NewLab ecosystem to get the absolute most of its AI and project management features. Overall, if you're looking for a smooth, hassle-free way to build diagrams and collaborate with your team in real time, Cacoo is definitely worth a look. It takes the pain out of visual planning. You can try it out for free by visiting newlab.com. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments, what kind of diagrams are you planning to build first? See you in the next video.